Hi, Michelle here from Straw-Bearie, and today we are opening up the September 2022 Paletteful pack. I am a crafter, not an artist, and this is an art box. So I'm always excited, but a little nervous about opening up these boxes and seeing how I can use the materials that are in here. We have a sticker, Late Night Artist with Paletteful, which is interesting because I've gotten the sticker already before this year. So they have reused the same sticker. I mean, I like it, but I would have thought I would have gotten the new sticker. We have, let's see, the ABT Pro alcohol-based natural palette markers. Okay, so we've got some alcohol markers in here. Comes in this little plastic tray with this felt covering, and they are two-sided. So you have a chisel tip and a brush tip on each of these. Got a 12 markers, assortment of greens and blues and pinks. Okay. We also have this Sumo Grip. Little mechanical pencil with an eraser. We have a Unipen fine liner. It's a 0.4. And then for paper, it's always a challenge getting the paper out because it's like the exact same size as the box. We have Bristol 9x12, 67 pounds, 2-ply artist Bristol plate finish, 12 sheets. And there's our paper. Okay, so I'm excited to try these new markers, see how they work, and I'll share that with you. I am really inspired by the box that this came in, where the girl, her hair is made out of flowers. So I think I'm going to use that as my inspiration. By the way, these are Tombow alcohol-based markers. I'm not an artist, so this part always scares me. I would do much better if I was given, say, a coloring page. Okay, so I have a basic sketch down. And so now I think I'm gonna have a little play with the markers. So this is the brush tip in the pink. Now I do want to see how well these kind of blend together, because that's what you normally do with alcohol markers and on this paper. Maybe getting the paper a little damp first and then putting in some more of these darker lines. Maybe that'll help blending them in a little bit better. Let's try the chisel tip. I mean, I like colors. Don't know if they're the best for blending necessarily. Well, there you go. Consider the lilies, how they grow. They neither toil nor spin, and yet I say to you, even Solomon in all his glory was not arrayed like one of these. Luke 12:27. I like the fine liner. The markers are fine. I was expecting them to blend a little bit more, and they're not. So maybe that's not really the point of them. The back doesn't actually show a whole lot of blending. It shows more manga drawings and fashion modes and stuff. So, yeah. And then the paper, it is a very smooth paper. I will give it that. And then the pencil is actually very nice too. I liked that. So thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and have a super awesome day. Toodles!